And we have to check na it was validated by the PB 1271 committee. Kung wala po yung validation na yun, hindi po namin pwede i-transact yung property na yun because it is considered invalid under the law unless nakavalidate po yung title. Or kung nakita namin that the title is a derivative of CalP, ancestral land po. This should not be part of the torrent system as has already been stated by the Supreme Court in the case of Abanan po and Carantes that CalPs and CalPs do not form part of the torrent system. Kaya hindi po namin tinatransact yun. Other than that, syempre we also check if yung deed, let's say extrajudicial settlement, under the rules of court, pwede lang mag-extrajudicial settlement if the decedent left no will or and no debts. Siyempre, kung makita po namin doon sa document na may naiwan palang utang, siyempre hindi po siya registrable. So yung on our part po, sa approval, we either register or deny yung transaction.